going to use our sheet pans today. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a whole meal on our sheet pan. We're going to cut up our butternut squash. And everybody is different how they cut theirs up. It's a pain in the butt, and you can buy it already pre-made if you want, but these were given to me by a neighbor who got them out of her garden, and so we're going to use them. I love butternut squash. Now we're going to take a sweet potato and we're going to peel it. I don't like peeling sweet potatoes, guys. Okay, we're just going to put them right with our butternut squash. And I left a little bit of peel, so I'm going to take it off. Butternut squash, sweet potato, and red onion are amazing together. And we cut them all to be about the same size, so they'll cook evenly. We have some regular baby potatoes, and we're just going to peel these right up. We're going to dice them up so they're all about the same conformity. I'm going to take a little bit of red onion, kind of like put it in strips. This makes a beautiful dish. Woo, my eyes. Okay, we are going to saute. I'm going to make sure we put about a tablespoon of butter. Just kind of lay it all over where the potatoes are going to be. Just kind of drizzle it there. This is delicious. Okay, I'm going to use a little bit of roasted vegetable. All-purpose is Kinder's roasted veggie. Tastes amazing. Just going to sprinkle it on our roasted vegetables. Want to make sure we get really good flavor. I've got a little bit of butter there. Now I'm going to spray with just a little bit of oil, not much. You can use olive oil. All right. We have some chicken tenders we're going to lay right on our sheet pan. Should fit perfectly. And then what we're going to do is right up on top, we're going to put some green beans. I'm going to spray them a little bit of olive oil. A little pepper. These are just canned, but they're going to turn out delicious. I'm telling you, I know. Now right on top of the green beans, I'm going to put on some baby corn. You can put it all or half or whatever. I think I'm just going to put half of it. I'm going to separate that right there. Oh, I think this looks great. I love baby corn. Now what are we going to do How are we going to season our chicken? Okay, we're just going to start rubbing our barbecue sauce right on our chicken. And if it's gotten a little bit where it's too together, make sure you get it all, ends and all. And it's going to caramelize in the oven. And this does not take very long. What our sheet pan meal looks like. Barbecue chicken tenders right down there. We've got our green beans and little baby corn. We've got all our potatoes and onion, sweet potato, regular potato, and butternut squash and onions and butter. This is going to be a delicious sheet pan meal. All right, so we went ahead and we put that in our oven for 30 minutes. Okay, it's been 30 minutes, and now we're going to check on our sheet pan meal. Okay, we're going to take it and just kind of start stirring it around a little bit, making sure everything is good and done. Potatoes need a little bit longer. I'm just going to get this all good and spread out a little bit. Red onion looks delicious. Okay, now we are going to turn over our chicken. And it is perfectly done. I'm just going to turn it over. A little bit more barbecue sauce. And I'm just going to kind of spread it out all over the chicken. And put it back in there for 10 to 15 minutes. The chicken will not overcook. This barbecue sauce will be just wonderful. Okay. And just to heat that sauce all the way through, and then we are going to eat. Look at that. Beautiful sheet pan meal. Okay, we are going to eat. We are going to take off some chicken here. Going to take a little bit of green beans and the corn and some of my roasted potatoes, a little bit of the red onion with it. Oh my goodness. Okay, got fresh ingredients, some canned ingredients, got a little bit of everything. Them green beans are delicious with the salt and pepper, olive oil. Oh my gosh. The baked sweet potato. A sheet pan meal is so easy, so simple, and nobody wants to be in the kitchen long time, all day long. I know I don't. This was a quick, easy way. I had some fresh vegetables. I wanted something green. I had some canned. You kind of just mix whatever you have, and you can make you a wonderful sheet pan meal. And I just want to say that we've hit over 55,000 subscribers. And I just want to say thank you. You guys are the kindest, sweetest viewers, subscribers on YouTube. I'm just in awe of how kind you are, your support, your encouragement. It's the same people over and over again. You guys keep coming back, and I'm just so appreciative of it. I just don't know what to say. You are the best viewers, subscribers on YouTube. No one has a better audience than I do. I just want to say thank you. You guys go. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.